Hello friends, welcome back to the iSenshare channel. Today you can learn how to fix JPG file not opening in Windows 11 tense. Fix 1. Change the default photo viewer. Right-click on the JPG file. Select Open with from drop-down menu. Then select another image viewer to open the JPG file. Fix to repair or reset the Photos app. Open Settings. Click Apps. Then search for Photos. Click the Advanced options. Go down to the Reset field, then click the Repair or Reset button. Fix 3. Scan and fix system files. Open Command Prompt as Administrator. Type SFC, Scano and press Enter key. Then the scanning process will begin. After the process ends, you can restart the computer. Fix for check for Windows updates. Open Settings. Click Update and Security. Then click Windows Update. If there is new update, you can follow the instructions to update Windows. Fix 5. Repair corrupted JPG files with Photo Repair tool. Go to iSenshare.com. Then download and install iSenshare's Repair Genius. Open the software. Click the Photo Repair feature. Then hit the Add Picture button. OK, the JPG files are added. Now go to click the Repair button. All files are successfully repaired. You can hit the preview icon to check. Finally, click the Save button to export all repaired JPG photos. You can select any folder to save them. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.